Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can withdraw from crypto.com to bank. So in order to withdraw from crypto.com to bank, you'll have to make sure that your account is verified. Along with that you've already linked your bank account. Now then, to begin with, first thing first, you'll need to go ahead and log in into your crypto.com account. So whenever you're withdrawing from crypto.com to bank, you'll have to sell your bitcoins or cryptos. So for that, go ahead and tap the trade icon or the icon located right at the bottom. And as you have done that, you'll need to go ahead and select the crypto wallet since you're selling the crypto. On the other interface, you'll need to go ahead and select the asset that you're selling. In my case, I'm gonna go with the Bitcoin. Once you're done selecting the cryptocurrency, after that you need to go to Fiat Wallet. As soon as you're on the Fiat Wallet page, then you'll need to go to the transfer tab located right on top. Then it's gonna ask you to enter in the exact amount that you wish to withdraw. Then you also need to enter in the bank account details where you actually withdrawing, and click the withdraw button. Lastly, you'll have to confirm all of the details. If you're sure about it, then click the transfer button. And it's going to take a while in order to load the money, so you can wait patiently until you get a notification. So in that way you can withdraw from crypto.com to bank. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.